fish, people. The man who could not get him last time got the first one.
Oh yeah. Welcome to an Unthrow Productions fishing video.
I finally get to start one!
Myself, Krista, Nick, Luke, Zach, and Chris. And we're here at Pymatuning. Nick got the first fish. It is a
Perch.
Pymatuning?
It's Pymatuning.
You said Pymatuning.
Pymatuning.
Pymatuning. Puma Piney?
Enjoy the video.
Power of the Red Bulls, baby.
Got him.
Power of the Red Bulls. Come on.
That's enough.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah. Got him.
That's cute.
I don't know how it is compared to the fish that I
orange on the bottom.
About equal. But that's a nice looking one.
That's really pretty.
That color's really nice.
Yeah, look at the fins, and it's right on the mouth. So
Here, wait, let me take a picture of that.
Those fins are sweet, dude.
Here, let me get it in front of the camera real quick. That's a nice looking one.
Don't touch it. Look at that thing. Look at the majestic.
Here, it's already filming.
It's on now.
I missed it too.
Aw, both you bitches. Missed. How do you feel?
Like I want that fish again. I'm getting something. It's playing. It's like what I was getting.
It's being a tease. Yeah, we have a monster.
Did I get him? Did I get him? I'm not sure. I don't think I got it. I missed it. It was a nice one. Where'd that hit? Dude, that was a nice hit. Me and Luke are getting so many things right now.
How's my hook up towards the thing?
It got tangled. That's how.
I'm gonna get a new minnow. Get it over here before it falls itself on the hook.
Luke got himself a perch.
Nice one, dude.
Competing for the top biggest fish today.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
That other fish is still alive.
Oh, we're trying to take the fish that we're trying to get. Where'd it go?
I see it.
It's over here.
It's right there.
I see it.
It's up
Oh
there.
no!
We're coming for you, buddy. It's okay. It's right there.
The hooks are flying.
It's up there.
It's right there in front of us.
Ahead?
Yeah, like straight ahead.
I
No,
see
to the
it.
right a little bit. To the right. To the right. Take it back
Yeah.
now, y'all. Ah.
I can't believe that seagull was carrying that thing in its mouth. There it is. I see it.
Keep going.
He's dead as. Oh!
Hey,
Oh!
hurry up! Go! 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 Go!
He's still
Hurry up,
slightly
keep
alive.
Going, keep going.
Net him!
To the right.
Jake, you need to get closer to him, buddy. There he is.
Let him come to
There
us.
he is. We're
Come on,
saving
buddy.
you, buddy. All right, what the fuck?
We're in seaweed, Jake, be careful.
Just net him.
Get it. Get it. Get it.
Net it.
Reach out.
Reach.
Okay, this.
Save it. Yeah, we saved him.
Oh, it's okay, buddy.
All right, get it on the
pissed.
stringer.
Oh, what you say?
He's very upset.
Nick had a nice hit on his rod. Keep it in. That was a nice hit. Look at the seagulls. We're being chased by them.
I want to eat one. Give me one of those. Ow! That almost made it. So where do you want me to park this thing? Damn it! Now where do you want me to park this thing?
No, with that. I took a deep from.
I filmed you eating it. The regular echoes again.
Ah! 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 Dad!
Well, Krista got herself a smallmouth bass.
It's a tiny bass.
It's a little one. That's awesome.
It has like a leopard print on the siding.
That's nice. Here, let's get it out in the sun more. That's a nice looking bass.
My line's all twisted now.
They're a fish. There's some kind of fish floating on the water. Yeah, that's not seaweed this time.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what it is though. I don't know if it's a leaf or a fish.
Definitely a fish. It's not a leaf, it's a leaf.
Is it?
Oh, yeah.
It is
That's a leaf.
a leaf. Wonderful. Well, we didn't really catch anything this trip. We got three perch and the bass, which we haven't caught a bass here in a long time. But thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Tell us what you thought. Comment below the video and subscribe for more videos. We'll see you next time.